Here I have a laminating brow wax along with the eyebrow pencil. I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So first I started by removing the product that I originally had on my eyebrows. Next, I went ahead and brushed my eyebrows out with the little brush that is included attached to the eyebrow wax. Once my eyebrows were brushed out, I went ahead and used the little spoolie with the eyebrow wax. I brushed them upward, creating a natural fluffy look. Check it out. I allowed the product to dry out for a few seconds, and once it dried out, I went ahead and went over with the brush and shaped up the brow. Next, I used the eyebrow pen to go ahead and fill any gaps or any areas where I was missing hair. I did light hair strokes going up through my eyebrow and in between. The pen was actually very easy to use. As you could see here, I am filling in all the little gaps. This allowed me to have a fuller looking eyebrow. You could add more or less, but check it out. Once I filled in my eyebrows, I went back over and brushed them out. I gently brushed them upward. Now take a look at the difference of the before and after. Here I have the Fluff Hold Laminating Brow Wax along with the eyebrow pencil. As you could see, I actually wanted to compare the two. This is how I naturally do my eyebrows, and this is the laminating product. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so surprised on how easy it was to use, and two, how natural my eyebrows look. I absolutely love it. It's less product. They just look so nice, so natural, so fluffy compared to the way that I originally do it. So overall, if you're looking for a good laminating brow pencil that's going to give your eyebrows that nice, natural, fluffy, voluminous look, I would definitely recommend this product.